And who owns them? Is it corporate landlords, or are they mostly mom and pops? I mean,
now I would say it's about maybe 70-30 corporate. You know, a lot.
70% of the rentals are corporate owned.
I would say about that. The ones that I looked at, I would say about 70%. And what happens is, I'll give you an example. We were talking about Cape Coral. Okay, I sent you guys over a property that I sold there. It's labeled that I sold it there. So there's a property here that I sold in Cape Coral. I closed this March 9th in 22. Let me explain what this property was. Single family home. Gentleman lived in New Jersey. Okay, he wanted to sell the property because the market was up and he wanted to use the money for other investments. Okay, so we listed the property February 26, 22. The contract date was March 1st, 22. On the market a few days. I had a bidding war between a hedge fund and a buyer. The hedge fund, I actually acted as a transaction broker, both sides of this deal. They were going back and forth. We had it listed at $349,900. Okay, it sold at $363,000. That's what the final number was after the bidding war with the hedge fund. Okay, now the hedge fund bought this property. They had a 7-day inspection period. Todd, they never even came to look at it. Never even came to look at it. Never came and did the inspection. The property needed a well pump. It needed to be painted. It needed some work. Never questioned it. I asked them, do you want to order the inspection? Do you want to have this done?